Hey everyone, I'm Nelson Chen and we're here at Independence Harbor. Today we have the ultimate waterfront home for you. This is Penthouse 4 at Jefferson Court. 2 bedrooms, over 1,600 square feet, 2 terraces, a gas fireplace, and the most unbelievable front row southeast views of the river and the city. You gotta come check this one out. You know how to reach us, give us a call, and until then, take a look inside.